Hello again. All right, so we're starting a brand new campaign, and it's going to be about showing you some excellent ways to keep yourself protected in an online world. One of the first things we're going to do is show you how to use the Google architecture, the Google program and platform to its fullest. In order to get the most out of Google, we have to first get the Google Chrome program. This is how we do that. Open up a browser. Doesn't matter what browser it is. A MacBook and you have Safari on it, just click on Safari to open it. Type this in. If you've got a Windows computer, you've got Edge built right in, which is this one right here. And just click on that, open it up, go through a few prompts if it hasn't been set up before, and then go up to the top here and we're going to look up Google Chrome. Just hit enter. And there's going to be like something that says, are you sure you want to use this? Blah, blah, blah. And we're just going to ignore any stuff that says don't do this. And we're going to go down to where it says Google Chrome browser. It says it's coming from the www.google.com website. And we can just click on download now directly into this. And this is going to take us in. And what I want to tell you is uncheck this help make Google Chrome better. This is just going to send statistics to them and stuff like that. We don't want to do that. That's no benefit to you. Just uncheck that. Click download Chrome. We're going to open it up and install it. I say yes. This is pretty easy so far, right? So we have allowed it to log in and everything. Now it's going to come up and it's going to be essentially blank. You're not going to see all these things on here. This is just because I've created a few different profiles already. And so what you're going to do is you're going to click on add. You're going to say continue without an account. And now we can just create a name for it. Doesn't matter what you want to name it. I'm going to use Owl Testing. And I'm going to make it very warm gray. Now we're going to go in and we're going to actually set this up, but that's going to be in the next video in this series. So I'll see you then.